So there's a game called 2.1 Master. Well, that's the one. You'll get the link in the description below. If you like to play cards, then you can go to the description of the video and you'll find the link of the 2.1 Master, and you can download that. And also you can earn real money from this game, and you can withdraw that money through UPI. So it's a very nice thing. If you want to play a game, you can play the game, or you can just share the game with all your friends. Then also you'll earn money. So you'll get the details right here somewhere. So do check my description, check out the link. What is up YouTube? Welcome back. It's your buddy Technoboy, and today I want to show you a very old one but a very nice 2.1 desktop speaker from Logitech. When my brother was using this a very long time ago, then it was like vanished, gone, and we got the new home theaters and all set up. And today I found this from the old storage at the attic. So this is the one. This is a few years old, but they're still like fully functioning. And here you can see the Logitech logo. That's the subwoofer and metallic finish Logitech logo right there. And that's a right channel. That's left channel. So right channel has all the parts: the power on off switch, headphone, and volume control, and the LED light is there, you can see. So all the amplifier part is in this channel right there, and the subwoofer has nothing, just the driver. It's a 4-inch driver at the front, and the left channel has nothing either, just the channel driver. Close to 3-inch round shaped speaker, and the right channel 2, not exactly 3-inch, like 2.5 inch or 2.75 inch, something like that. So at the back, two wires came out from the bottom, you can see. One is for the audio input, which is going to the PC right there, to the audio output at the front, and another one is for the left channel right there. So they are like connected from the inside. You cannot detach the cord or anything like that. So that's it, but the cords are long enough to keep the both other side of the computer, or maybe a little bit more than that. And this is the power socket for the DC power supply. It requires 12 volt 1 amp power supply that came with this thing. One adapter separately. Let me show you that. This is one. Output 12 volt 1000 mA means 1000 milliamp means 1 amp. So that's it. And I check the back side of this subwoofer. It's a very tiny hole right there. It's the air passing port on the back, and just a RCA connector just for the subwoofer connection. That's it. Very simple, and small in size and compact design. And this thing, nothing is there. So let me show you the model. There you can see the model number is 453B. That's the model number. Logitech R-20 speakers, and that's the model. I think R-20 is the model. As my brother bought that long back, so I don't remember. I don't have the box packing, and I don't remember the model or anything like that. So R-20, that's the model, and this is the model number is 0453B, and it's made in China. So that's a very good one. As you know, the Logitech speakers make very good sound. Obviously not all of them, but most of them, they make very good quality speakers. So today I've connected this thing to the desktop right there, and after a very long time I'm going to check the sound how it is. So let's do that.